In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of removing a Facebook account restriction in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. At the bottom right corner, tap on the menu icon. From there, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap on it and choose Settings. Inside the Settings page, go to the Account Center. To manage restrictions, click on See More in Account Center and scroll down until you reach Personal Details. Open it, and you'll see an option called Identity Confirmation. Tap on Confirm Your Identity. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. Choose Protect Your Account. Enter your password, and once done, your identity will be confirmed successfully. After confirming, go back and scroll down to find the Help and Support section. Tap on it, then select Report a Problem. Close the first two prompts, hit Continue to Report, and choose Don't Include. Next, you'll need to select the feature category. Scroll to the bottom and pick Other. In the message box, type something like, "Hello Facebook team, I'm experiencing issues with account restriction. Kindly help me resolve this problem." Then send the report. After submitting, you'll receive a response in your support inbox, which you can access through the Help and Support section. And that's it. These are some of the effective ways you can use to remove account restrictions on Facebook.